Understanding, Weigh One's Options, a guide to making decisions. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very useful phrase in English, weigh one's options. This expression is all about decision-making, and understanding it can really help you grasp how English speakers talk about choices and dilemmas. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and use of this phrase together. When we say someone is weighing their options, we're talking about examining and comparing different choices or paths before making a decision. Imagine a scale, with each side representing a different option. To weigh these options means to consider the benefits and drawbacks of each, much like balancing a scale until you find the most favorable balance. It's a process that involves careful thought and consideration. People weigh their options in various situations, from everyday choices like selecting a meal from a menu to life-changing decisions such as choosing a career path or buying a house. This phrase highlights the importance of not rushing into decisions without first considering all available information and outcomes. It's about being thoughtful and prudent, ensuring that the decision made is the best possible one given the circumstances. Let's look at some examples to better understand how to use this phrase in conversation. 1. After receiving job offers from 2 companies, I need to weigh my options carefully before deciding which one to accept. 2. She's weighing her options on whether to go back to school or start working immediately. 3. Before making any investment, it's wise to weigh your options and consult with a financial advisor. These examples show the phrase in action, demonstrating its versatility and applicability to various scenarios requiring thoughtful decision-making. Weighing your options can be a detailed process. Here are some tips to do it effectively. List the pros and cons of each option to visualize the benefits and drawbacks clearly. Consider long-term impacts as well as short-term gains or losses. Seek advice from others if you're stuck or if the decision is particularly complex. Trust your instincts after you've considered the facts. Sometimes, your gut feeling can guide you to the right choice. We hope this video has helped you understand what it means to weigh one's options, and how you can apply this process to your own decision-making. Remember, thoughtful consideration of all your options is key to making wise decisions. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Happy learning, and may your choices lead you to positive outcomes.